Hi students, welcome to Housey Study. Today we are going to introduce our Android mobile app Housey Study, and I want to show how to use it. And with this app we are coming near to you to serve our teachings and our learning enjoyment. Here you can see the app. You can download it from Play Store, and from there if you install you will get this type of screen on your mobile. So it is a login section, and this one is a registration section, and this is if you forgot your password, you can click here and you will get the password. So in login section you have to give your contact number, which is your login ID. Here it is a password, and here it is a registration button. If you click that one, you can register with our services by giving your name, by giving your contact number, by giving your class. You can register here. You will get a password to your mobile number as an SMS, and using that one you can log in here. And next it is forgot password section. If you click that button, you will redirect to this section where you will get your password. By giving your phone number, you will get your password to your mobile number so that you can log in again. And come to login section, give your number, which is your login ID, and give the password so that you will redirect to the main section where we have our services. And here you have a main menu. By clicking that one, you can see the list of the services. So first one is home, where you can generate your ticket, and you can see your class also. And in second section, this is previous classes, where you can see our previous classes. So by clicking that one, you can see the previous class, and you can check the previous winner also and your ticket also. So under refer a friend, you can refer a friend by giving his name, contact and the class, and after registration you will get a bonus ticket along with your ticket. If you refer a friend, you will get 2 tickets to play. Now we will move on to the game section. So if I click this one, you will get a ticket along with the class. Now I am clicking that one. So look at this, you have a ticket along with your class. Along with that, you can check the numbers that is drawing in the class. As you know, we will draw the numbers while the class is going on. Along with the concepts, you can see the number, you can mark the number what you got, and after matching all the tickets, all the numbers, you can claim your ticket. Be concentrate on the class, read the concepts, listen the concepts, and listen the numbers that we are drawing, and whenever the numbers are matching, just claim your ticket. So that's all students. So this is the usage of the app. We will come to know the new concepts and new learning styles using this app. So whenever you struck in the app, just click this one so that the whole app is refreshed, and you can start it again. If you need any information, you can WhatsApp to this number. We will always inform you whatever you want. So if you turn your device, you can see the class in full screen mode so that you can view the class clearly. So students, so I think you have understood usage of this app. You can log out from here also. So thank you very much. I think you have understood all the uses of the app. So if you have a doubt, just WhatsApp me and I will clear your doubts and I will explain you how to use the app.